Dear friends, welcome to the 2-minute class. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Microsoft Store is not opening. Don't worry, I have 3 simple solutions that should help you resolve this problem quickly. And hey, if this is your first time watching my video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first method to try is setting your date and time to update automatically. To do this, right-click on the date and time at the bottom right corner of your screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Once you're there, make sure that both Set Time automatically turned on. After that, just click on the Sync Now button. Once you've done this, try opening the Microsoft Store and see if it's working. If it opens, then great, you're all set. But if not, don't worry. Let's move on to the next solution. The second method is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This is a really simple fix. Just go to the Windows search bar and type WS Reset. You'll see an option that says WS Reset Run Command. Go ahead and click on it. Now just be patient. This command will reset the Microsoft Store and relaunch it automatically. In my case, it's working perfectly. But if you try this and the store still doesn't open, let's move on to the next fix. If neither of these methods worked for you, don't worry. There's another way to troubleshoot this issue using Windows' built-in Troubleshooter. Just open the Windows search bar, type Settings, and open it. Then go to Update and Security and click on Troubleshoot. Inside this section, click on Additional Troubleshooters and scroll down until you find Windows Store Apps. Click on it, then hit Run the Troubleshooter. Now, Windows will automatically detect the issue and try to fix it for you. You don't have to do anything, just wait for it to complete. Once it's done, check if the Microsoft Store is now working, and if it's still not opening, here's a bonus method that might help. You can reset the Microsoft Store using Windows Powershell. To do this, open the Windows search bar, type PowerShell, and right-click on it. Select Run as Administrator, and if you get a prompt, click Yes to continue. Now, just copy the reset command from the video description, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. Once it's done, restart your computer and check if the Microsoft Store is working again. So that's it, guys. These are the easiest and most effective ways to fix the Microsoft Store not opening issue. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, and leaving a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and have a great day.